Hey there, Joe here from ShortPoint, and today I want to show you our new news cards design element. I've got a section on my HR page where I want to display the news post from my site. We're going to go ahead and click the Add Design Element button, and we're going to use the news cards element. When we add in the news cards, there's going to be a couple placeholder posts that will be added by default. We're going to go into the settings so that we can update these or show you the options that are available to update here. For each news post, we will have an author. We can adjust the date of that news post. We'll put in the title. It'll ask us for an image that's going to show us the thumbnail there. There are a couple settings we can adjust for the position of that image. It's really just the position of the image in this box. So it's going to look pretty similar. We'll leave those as they are. And then I can also change this link text. So instead of read more, maybe it should say read post, which you can see that update there. Finally, we're going to add the link to the actual news post that people will be taken to when they click on that. And we can also control how that link opens. Does it open in a same window or a new window? Now, one slight aside, when you're using this on your site, what you probably will do is use the ShortPoint connect feature to connect this news cards element to the news posts on your site so that you're not manually having to come in and actually set the author and the date and the title, etc. I'm showing you what fields are there, but once we've set up that connection to the news posts on your site, these will automatically be populated anytime a new news post is added. If we come back here and go to the design tab, there are a couple other styling options that we have. So there's two styles. The first is what we see here. The style 2 is going to show these in a vertical list type format like you see there. We're going to set back to style 1. I can also adjust the size of these news cards, excuse me. We can also adjust the color. So in this drop down, you'll see the color coming from your theme. When we change the color here, it's going to change the title of the author as well as that read more button. There is a light and a dark mode. I'm going to leave it in the light mode on my particular page. If you had a darker background, that might look a little better there. And then finally, we can adjust the items per row. In my case, 3 is good, but if I had a couple more news posts we want to show at a time, I could update this to 4. You can see how that's going to adjust the width of each of those news posts to show the right number per row. Finally, on the advanced tab, we have one more setting, which is the spacing between these items. If I wanted to maybe have a little bit more space between those, I could adjust this to be 30, which now you can see a little bit more space in between each news card here. Thanks for watching this introduction to the new ShortPoint news cards design element.